Welcome back, children. So we'll start exercise 1.4, comparing of number. Compare means which is greater than or which is smaller than. When we compare two numbers, so I will teach you how to compare. Okay. So we'll start with the lakhs places. Suppose we have that this is 3,20,485. The second number we have 3,20,482. The first method is, first of all we have to just count the digits, that how many digits we have in the number, how many digits we have in the numbers. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 digits both the sides. Suppose in this question we have 6 digit, we have 5 digit, so there is no comparison of this number. So simply this is 6 digit number will be greater. Okay, when the digits are not same, so it is very easy to find out that which is bigger. The number which is having more digit, that is bigger number. Like this number, this is 6 digit number, this is 5 digit number, so this number is a bigger one. So when we have the same numbers, same digits in the numbers, 6 digit, 6 digit, okay, then we'll start comparing the number from the first place. This is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So first of all we will compare the lakh place. This is 3, this is 3, both are same. When the lakh place are same, then we'll move to the 10,000 place. Next one, 2, 2, same, they are also same, then we'll move to the next one. 0, same, then 100 place, same, then 10's place, same, then 1's place, this is 5, this is 2, they are not same. So which is greater one? 5 is greater one, means this number is a greater one. Now one more example I'll give you. Suppose we have the number 19462 and the other one is 13463. So here again the same method, 1 2 3 4 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 digit, digits are same, so we'll start comparing. Start with the first place, same, second place not same, so we'll not move to the next one. We will compare the number here only. This is 9, this is 3, so which is bigger one? 9 is bigger one, so this one is a greater one number. One more, 42610, 42319. Come this side again, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 digits, digits are same, so we'll start comparing. The first place is same, we'll move to the next one. Next place is same, we'll move to the next one. 6, 3, the third place is not same. 1, 10, 100 place is not same, so compare the, this is 6, this is 3, so we'll compare the number here. 6 is greater, so this one is greater. One more question. Okay, the first thing I told you, the first thing, just count the digits. 1 2 3 4, this is 4 digit number and this is 5 digit number, so we will not compare. Simple thing, the number which is having more digit, that will be greater. I hope you have understood the concept. So we'll start with the exercise 1.4, question number 1, that is write greater one, smaller one and equal to. There are 1 2 3 4 5 10 questions. I have done 5 or 6 question on my notebook, so the same 6 question you will do on the notebook and rest of the question you will revise. So look at the first question, first part, question number 1, first part. This is 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5-digit number. I told you when the digits are not same, number of digits are not same, no need to compare. Simple, the number which is having more digit, that will be greater. So this number is greater. Now come to the B part. Count the digits. This is 6-digit number. This is 5-digit number. The same method we will follow. 6-digit number will be the greater. So this is the greater number. Come this side. This is 5-digit number. This is also 5-digit number. The digits are same. Number of digits are same both the sides. So we'll compare the number. We will compare the first place. 9, 9 same. 4, 4 same. 5, 5 same. Tens place same. Ones place same. So this is the equal one. Both the sides are same. D part. This is 6-digit number. This is also 6-digit number. So we will compare the number. We will compare with the first place, that is the lakh place. This is 6 and this is 5. The first place is not same. If the first place is not same, we will compare the number from here. No need to go for the next number. Okay, this is 6, this is 5. Obviously 6 number will be the greater one. So this is the greater side. This is the greater number. Move to the E part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-digit number. This is also 6-digit number. Okay. So we'll compare the first place, lakh place, we will compare. Both are same. 6, 6 same. Now move to the 10,000. Next place. This is 9. This is 7. The next place is not same. This is 9. This is 7. So which is greater one? 9. So it means this number is greater. So we'll put the greater sign of this number. Come to the F place. This is F question, F part of the question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6-digit number. Come this side. This is also 6-digit number. So we'll start comparing it. First digit we will compare. 9, 9. Same. The next is also 9, 9. Same. The next is 1000 place 9, 9. Same. Then 100 place 5, 5. Same. Then come to the tens place. 7, 7 same. Now the last one place, this is 5, this is 6. The ones place is not same. So which is the greater one? This is 5, this is 6. 6 one is greater one. So means this number is greater. So we'll put the sign here. I hope you have understood comparing the number, how to compare the number. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, just see the heading very carefully. Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers by using all the given digits. So students, first of all, you have to understand about the digits and numbers. So suppose I have this one. I am writing, see, in this question we have comma in all the digits. So these are digits. This is 5, individual number. This is 8, this is 4, this is 0, this is 2, this is 3. This is not a number. These are the digits. We have comma in between. Okay. So when you make a number, there should not be any comma in the, like after the digit. So they have given the digits. So we have to form a number. So first of all, they are asking us to make a greatest number. Greatest number start with the greatest digit. Greatest number start with the greatest digit. So greatest number, A part. So which is the greatest digit? 8. 8. Then after 8 we have 7. Then after 7 we have 5. Then after 5, 3. Then 2. Then 1. So this is a number. There is no comma in between. Is it clear? So when we place the comma after all the digits, that are the digits. Okay, so this is a number. So smallest, now we have to form the smallest number. So smallest number start with the smallest digits. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay, the smallest digit is 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 5. Then we have 7. And then last is 8. So this is the smallest. Now come to the B part. 649075. So the greatest number will be 9. 9 digit is greatest. Then we have 7. Then we have 6. Then we have 5, 4, and the smallest one is 0. Okay, so this is the greatest number. And when we form the smallest number, we will never start any number with 0. Okay, because 0 is having no value. So we cannot start a number with 0. So here, what we will do, we will not start a number with 0. After the 0, which is the smallest number, 4. So we'll start with the 4. Then after 4, we will place the 0. Okay. So after 4, we will place a 0. Then after that, which is the smallest number, 5. Then we have 6. Then we have 7. And then we have 9. So this is the greatest number. Out of the greatest number, we can find the smallest number when we reverse the number. Okay, same here. This is the greatest number, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. When we reverse this number, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. That is the smallest number. The same way. But we cannot start a number with the 0. So what we will do, we will write the next smallest number, 4. Then we will place a 0. 4, 0. 4, 0. 5, 6, 7, 9. 5, 6, 7, 9. Come to the C part. 4, 8, 3, 2, 1, 0. Greatest number is, which is the bigger digit here, 8. Then we have 4. Then we have 3. Then 2. Then 1. Then 0. We have to write the smallest number. I told you reverse the number, but we cannot start with the 0. What we have to do? We will start with the 1. After 1, we will place 0. Then 1, 0. Then 2, 3, 4, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. We have only question number 1 and 2 in exercise 1.4. That's all for the question exercise 1.4. So revise it properly. So in the next video, we'll start with the exercise 1.5. Thank you very much.